Hey guys, today I want to show you these really cool products from Pansy. So I have their hair removal spray and I also have their hair growth inhibitor in the cream and the spray. These products feel so nice as well, and they also look great. They look like such nice products and they feel really high quality and sturdy. Let's talk about the hair removal spray, which only takes 8 minutes to get your hair off. This product is so great because it's smooth, cool, and it has a light smell, and it also doesn't cause any type of skin irritation. This hair removal spray is super easy to use. All you have to do is spray it to your desired area, and then after applying, just wait for 8 minutes. Then once the hair becomes curly, you can wipe it off and wash the area. You can use this product for your bikini, your armpits, your legs, your hands, your lips, your chest, basically anywhere. This product will remove your hair near to your roots, and it also won't cause the hair to grow back any faster. Now we have the two hair growth inhibitor products. One of them is a cream and the other one is a spray. These hair growth inhibitor products are great because they're very soothing and moisturizing, and they also don't cause any damage to the hair follicles. What it does is it effectively inhibits the growth of hair, and after a while of using it, you can actually achieve the same results as laser hair removal. If you use it for 1 to 2 months, your pores will become thinner and the hair rate will slow down as well. To use these products, you first need to remove your hair in the desired area, and then you can either use the spray or cream 2 to 3 times a day. Okay guys, so the hair removal spray works so well. It's so easy to use, it also works so fast, and it hasn't caused me any irritation or anything like that. It's actually really soothing and it's really nice to apply to my skin. I've been using it on my legs, my arms, my bikini area. I've been using it in so many different places and I haven't had a single issue, and I find that it removes the hair really close to the pores. I'm really happy with it, and I'm going to continue using it because it's such a great product to use and it's super easy to do so. The hair growth inhibitor products are amazing. They are so soothing and moisturizing to use, and I haven't had any issues with them at all. The results are very similar to laser hair removal. I find that my skin is so smooth and it's a lot brighter as well. I highly recommend all of Pansy's products. These 3 products have been amazing and I love using them. I'm definitely going to keep using them.